Okay, problem 2. Okay, multiply negative 4.5 times 4 2/3. Okay, remember on the problems after the examples, try to do it step by step, pausing the video, okay, trying part of the problem, and then unpausing the video to check. Because you really want to start getting used to doing these on your own. Okay, so negative 4.5 times 4 2/3. Why don't you go ahead and write both of those as fractions and cross reduce. Okay, pause the video before you do that, and then unpause the video and then see how you did on that part. Okay, so writing both of these as fractions because they're not. Okay, negative 4.5. I need to change that into an improper fraction. I'm going to ignore the negative sign for a minute. And I'm just going to use multiply, add, drag, and just realize that if the mixed number is negative, then my improper fraction has to be negative as well. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. Add 1, you get 9. Drag over the 2. Okay, so the first fraction is going to be negative 9/2. We took 4 times 2, added 1, we drug over the 2. Okay, the 4 2/3. Same thing, multiply, add, drag. Take 4 times 3 is 12. Add 2, which is 14. Okay, drag over the 3, 14/3. Okay, negative 9/2 and 14/3 would be the fractions. Okay, the negative sign is already there on the first fraction. Okay, so that's the first thing you did. Okay, now look for things to reduce, cross reduce. Okay, look at the 9 and the 3. Did you get those to reduce? Okay, do you see that 3 will go into both of those evenly? So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, look at the 2 and the 14. Okay, 2 divides evenly into both of those. So we can take 14 divided by 2 is 7. We can take 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Okay, make sure you got that. Okay, now in just a second, you're going to pause the video, but before you pause, or after you pause, you want to multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, make sure the sign is correct. Okay, 3 times 7, multiplying the tops, 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 1 is 1. And a negative times a positive. Okay, two numbers, the signs are different, so it's a negative. Okay, negative 21 over 1. Okay, make sure you got that part right. Go ahead and simplify that. Okay, 21 over 1. I mean, you could think of that as an improper fraction, so you divide 1 into 21, or you just know that 21 divided by 1 is just 21. Okay, anytime you have a 1 on the bottom, you can just take it off. So the answer is negative 21. Okay, keep me posted with questions.